Hi guys, our topic now is all about Gay-Lussac's law. So in this gas law, ang formula niya is the relationship between pressure and temperature. So Charles' law it is volume and temperature. So ilalagay ko lang yung formula dito ah. So here's the formula of Gay-Lussac's law. P1. So, ayan. Ito yung formula ng Gay-Lussac's law. The relationship between temperature, yung pressure and volume is a Boyle's law yun. And relationship between volume and temperature, so Charles' law. And dito sa Gay-Lussac's law, it is the relationship between pressure and temperature. No. So, in Gay-Lussac's law, it is just the same to Charles' law na directly proportional. For example, mag-increase pressure, mag-increase din sa temperature. So, yan yung directly proportional. So, we have here two sample problems of a Gay-Lussac's law and yeah, solve natin yung problem number 1. Solution, and dito, ilagay ko yung given. So, identify natin yung mga given. In problem number 1, the pressure of a gas in a rigid container is, so hiwala yan, 125 kilopascal at 300 Kelvin. So, sa given, meron tayong initial pressure na 100. So, may initial pressure tayo na 125 kilopascal and may initial temperature tayo na 300 Kelvin. And sa final pressure, what will be the new pressure? So, it is not yet defined. Final temperature is 900 Kelvin. Ina-ask yung new pressure. Kasi tumaas yung temperature. Naging 900 Kelvin. So, this is now the solution. So, apply natin yung formula of Gay-Lussac's law. So, what is the initial pressure? It is 125 kilopascal. The initial temperature is 300 Kelvin. Final pressure is not yet defined. So, isosolve natin yung final pressure. It's P2 over the final temperature is 900 Kelvin. So, ilagay natin yung P sub 2 is equals to 125 kilopascal over 300 Kelvin times, so cancel out the same units. Ayan, Kelvin. So, matitira yung kilopascal. Solve the final pressure. Here, 375. What is the unit? Kilopascal. So, this is now our answer. And now, we're going to create a table to state the changes. Ilagay natin yung initial condition. From 125 yung pressure, naging 375 kilopascal. Of course, si pressure, it is increases here. Pressure increases. Sa temperature naman, from 300 to 900 Kelvin. of course, nag-increase si temperature. So, lagay mo, T increases. So, ayan. Na-solve na natin yung number 1. Let's proceed to number 2. Initial pressure, determine natin. 4.0 atmosphere. And initial temperature, 28 degrees Celsius. So, dito tayo, T1. Since naka-degree Celsius pa yung temperature niya, i-convert pa natin into Kelvin. So, i-add lang natin yung 273. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng 0.15 kasi sa amin, hindi na yan nilalagay. 273 na lang. So, let's solve the initial temperature. 73, that is 301. So, Kelvin na yung unit niya. Ilalagay natin dito. 301 Kelvin. And sa final pressure, hindi pa. Ina-ask yan, yung final pressure. And yung final temperature here is 400 degrees Celsius. So, i-solve naman natin. A-add tayo ng 400. 400 plus 273, of course, is equals to, so dito ko na lang ilagay sa final temperature. 400 plus 273 maging 673. Maging 673 Kelvin. So, ayan. I-solve na natin gamit yung formula na ito of Gay-Lussac's law. So, initial pressure is 4.0 over 301 Kelvin initial temperature equals hindi pa na-identify yung final pressure. So, solve pa lang natin. And meron tayong nakuha na 673 Kelvin sa final temperature. So, yan. 4.0 over 301 times 673. So, solve na natin. May nakuha tayong 8.94. 8.94. Cancel out the same units, Kelvin. So, naging atmosphere na yung unit. So, we have now our final pressure. That is 8.94. So, lagay na natin siya sa table. Dito. Para ma-determine yung changes on pressure and temperature. Sa initial condition, may value tayo sa initial pressure na 4.0 atmosphere, and sa initial temperature merong 301 Kelvin. Sa final condition meron tayong nakuha na 8.94. 8.94 atmosphere.
Sabi mo tabi sa ako din na dati, tapos nabasa akong chat ni Mama mo sa imo.
Final temperature 673 Kelvin. So let's see the changes. From 4.0 yung pressure naging 8.94. So nag-increase si pressure. Pressure increases. And dito sa temperature, from 301 to 673, of course, nag-increase din si temperature. So, as what I've said, directly proportional yung Charles' law and Gay-Lussac's law. So, hindi sila same sa Boyle's law na babaliktad. So, if nag-increase si pressure, mag-increase din si temperature. Yan yung sa Gay-Lussac law. That's directly proportional. So, nasagutan na natin yung 1 and 2 problems. Let's proceed now to combined gas law, wherein doon i-discuss yung relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature.